Hello YouTube! So today papalitan lang yung battery ng aming Nissan Terra. First time since nakuha namin itong sa dealership. The OEM battery lasted us 2 years, 1 month and 28 days. So for this, we chose yung battery is Amaron Pro 100D to 6LBH or 2SM yung size niya. This cost 6,500 with an old battery trade-in. Magliles tayo ng 400 pesos. This is free of delivery and installation and naka 24 months warranty. Magbibigay din sila ng receipt and warranty card after the install. At this case, si Kuya Buboy ang gumawa nito and our video is not sponsored. So simple lang po ang steps na ginawa nila for installation. So turn off the engine, remove the terminals, just unscrew, remove the battery holder and casing, gently remove the old battery and place it to the side. Install carefully the new one, return the cover, then screw both terminals, then start the engine for testing. So dito, ayan po, no? So i-screw dahan-dahan lang po yung ginagawa. For the details ng ating seller and sa shop natin binili, ipopost po natin yan later on. Ilalagay din po natin sa description. So at this point, i-screw back lang po and make sure na secure po to na para pagka tumagal engine or malibak tayo, hindi siya madaling matanggal. So this is the view from the inside. Ito is kinakabit na lang po yung battery holder. Okay. Makikita or maririnig po na instant po yung pagkaka-start natin. So bago po yung battery, pinakita naman po sa akin and trusted po yung ating seller. Si Sir or si Kuya Buboy po yung nag-install niyan. Yan po. Mabait and mabilis po kumilos. If meron pa po kayong question, feel free to comment it and sasagutin po natin lahat yan. Ito po yung details once again. Pwede nyo pong i-pause. Pwede nyo rin pong tingnan sa description. Once again, thank you, subscribe, like, and share.